Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So I'm actually sitting in front of a lot of boxes. If you are on my Instagram, then you guys know like how much I've shopped during Black Friday. I honestly had a really rough week. I was unwell for a couple of days, and with kids as well, it was a bit hard, so I decided to treat myself. So every time I was buying stuff, I was like, I deserve this, I need this as a treat. I ended up shopping quite a lot actually. Anyway, you know, sometimes you need to treat yourself, and retail therapy is exactly what I needed, especially this month. I'm gonna, do a dedicated video for Zara because I bought quite a lot of stuff from Zara, and I'm actually still waiting for Zara delivery, to be honest. It's been almost 1 week I've ordered, but it has not been delivered yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do H&M haul, ASOS haul, Boots haul. I've got 2 boxes of Boots, but I'm gonna only show you 1 box, and then on my next video I'm gonna show you another box. Let's start with H&M one. This one I've actually already shown you on my Instagram because I did TikTok video and I shared that TikTok video on my Instagram as well. So first one is this dress here, which is a sheer dress. It has got very nice puffy sleeve, and a lot of you really like this dress. A very simple dress, very long. This has got insert here, even though it is a sheer dress, so it covers the parts that needs to be covered. Really good quality as well. This one I got in a small size, but I'm planning to get this in extra small because on the waist area it is quite baggy. So that is my plan for this one. The next one I have is a shirt, very kind of like a simple shirt, but at the same time the top part here has got ruffles which runs over the shoulder area here on the back as well, which I feel like is such a nice addition, and I love the color. It is like a pure white, not like ivory. And last one I have is very simple top, nothing going on much here. As you can see, the sleeve is quite puffy. I'm really into like puffy trend right now. I don't know why, but I seem to love that. So let's open ASOS box now. This boxes came like a week ago, but I wanted to do unboxing on vlog, and in between I felt unwell, so I didn't vlog. You guys won't believe like how patient I am as a person, and when I put this up on Insta story, a lot of you were saying like, oh my god, you are so patient. If it was me, I would have opened like straight away. So that's the ASOS box. Let me show you what I got. So these are the gloves, but it is like a fleece glove, and this one was quite expensive, £14 for a glove. You guys know like I go like outdoor runs, so this is what I needed, especially for winter. Nia is also here. Nia, come and say hi. Promise. Hi. Dirty hands. Nia is over there on the floor doing her painting, so she might be a little bit noisy. Excuse her. Nia Janus. So the gloves are this one, quite thick, great for outdoor run. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy I got this one. Can you guys see? Like it's so fleecy. See that? And it also got like anti-slip here, especially on the thumb. Next I have, what did I buy? I've even forgotten what I bought. Oh, I bought a beanie hat actually for myself. This is what happens to me when I order too many things I forget. So this is just a normal like simple hat that I could wear when I do like nursery run or go for a run basically. So just a simple beanie hat. Oh, I remember this is a hair clip. I wanted to pick up this hair clip, clear one. Really lovely actually. Yeah, that is all I got from ASOS during Black Friday. Not a lot, to be honest. Oh no, I forgot, sorry. I've actually bought myself MAC lipstick as well. This one is in taupe, so that is the MAC lipstick, and then also like a lip balm with SPF 15 in it. Now moving on to H&M. I bought some stuff for Nia as well from H&M, so I'm gonna give it to her because she had been asking for the last couple of days, and I said to her like, oh, it has not been delivered, because I wanted to do unboxing. I got this 6-pack gloves for Nia and Misha. It comes in different colors. Let me actually open this. This is the gloves I got for them. This will keep them warm during winter. Another one I have, I got the cushion for the first time. I normally don't buy cushion there, but I heard a really good review, so Nia is coming.
Mini gloves.
Papago gloves, yes.
Costco gloves za yote.
Papago misako. So I got myself cushion. That's the cushion 50 by 50 white one. I also got cushion cover here, which I'm really excited about. It is kind of like a line painting, and you guys know like I'm really into line painting at the moment. This is the cushion. You can see, so beautiful. I love the color as well. It is in beige. Really impressed with the quality as well, like really good quality cushion. I've never bought like cushion cover and cushion from H&M before. Oh, this is like really good quality. I'm gonna buy some more actually. Next, I bought something for myself, which I've never bought from H&M. These are this set of underwear, which is 3 nude ones. They had really good review. I hope they don't disappoint me. Now I'm gonna move on to boots as well as other boxes. And what I'll do is for those ones, I'll just show you like a close-up shot rather than me sitting here and showing you all the stuff. Next one, this is my birthday gift actually. My parents and my brother gave me some money on my birthday so that I could buy whatever I want to buy. This is from Miss Alma. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. Take this out all. That is their leaflets. Are you guys ready for this? This is what I've got inside. Here we go. Let me actually take this out. Oh my god, I love this one. I didn't think this would be that beautiful. This is like a very chunky earrings in medium size that I got. That is it. I'll always remember this is what I got for my 2020 birthday. As promised, I'm gonna do boots haul for you guys now. So let's open this together and do the unboxing. I'm so excited to show you what's in here. Ta-da! So I got this vitamins for Nia and Misha, and that one is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, which I absolutely love. I've been using this for years, almost nearly 7 years. I got this Garnier hand cream, and then I got 2 of this Clinique cleansing balm, which is my favorite makeup remover. I absolutely love this one. No fragrance in it and takes makeup off really well. And I also got myself vitamin D, 3 of them. I'll give one to my mom. Another one, this one is iron and vitamin tablets. Doesn't have vitamin D though. This one was very expensive. I paid £12 for one, so I got 3 because there were 3 for 2. The last one is from Charlotte Tilbury. Here we go. One of them is actually birthday gift for my sister-in-law, but she doesn't watch my videos. It's safe to show you guys here. So take that out. First one is this one, which is eyeshadow. Another one I got is eyeshadow. Another one is this one, is again to do with eyes. Another one I have is pencil for eye again. Another one is blush. Another one I have is again eyeshadow. So I'm going to give her 3 items out of this. Let me show you the eyeshadow shade and then the blush shade as well. These 3 are for me. You can see it is kind of like a very neutral color. I like this sort of shade of eyeshadow. This one is called, let me show you, Luxury Palette of Pops. And this one here, such a beautiful shade, as you can see. This is sort of the eyeshadow color that suits my skin a lot. And this one is called Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. This one is their famous Cheek to Chic one, which I'm so excited to try. Such a beautiful color.
Your doll, okay?
Okay, Cherry. Hello. Mama din ba ko? Hello, Nush. Jonas, look, garden में खेलना. Garden में खेलना. Hello, hello, hello.
उसको baby चाहिन्छ.
ए बेबी चाहिन्छ उसलाई. ले लिनुस्. तपाईको unicorn baby. Hello.
Hello.
We're out here for a date with Lam, and we're going to have some lunch. I got this delivery and it's called Omi Lashes by Omi Guru. And let me show you, she has chosen these two eyelashes for me, which is quite natural, and that is how I like my eyelashes. I love the packaging actually. This is so beautiful. And let me show you what it says on the back. The lashes name is Bunu. This one is called Didi Baini. Can't wait to try this. Let me open this and see. Wow, I like the fact that it comes with a spoolie brush, and then that's the lashes. I love it. I can't wait to wear it, and I'll show you and do a little bit of a review. This one is the Didi Baini lashes. Really lovely. I'll put her link down below. It's really lovely to see more Nepali women entrepreneurs, so please go and support her. Morning everyone. I thought I'll show you my morning skincare routine. I only apply like 3 products, but that works really well for my skin. So anyway, let's start with the serum. This is the one I'm using currently at the moment. This is from Paula's Choices Peptide Booster. Peptide is like really good for skin, and this one has got amino acids as well. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna put a link down below as well. So I take 1 pump of that. It has got dropper, which is really hygienic. I don't touch the product at all. And that is the 1 pump on my hand. Rub it all over my hands and then pat that into my skin. I also apply on my neck as well, but since I'm wearing like this roller neck, I'm not going to apply down below to the chest and neck. So I'm going to apply like a little bit on the top part of the neck. I leave my skin to absorb this product, and then I move on to eye cream. This one is Estee Lauder one. This is the first time I'm using their product. I used to use Clinic one, but I moved on to this one. This one is the Advanced Night Repair Eye one. It's expensive, but I really like their products because it works for my skin. And so many people say like you don't need to use separate eye cream, you can use a moisturizer, but the eye area is very sensitive, and this has been formulated especially for the eyes. Sometimes when you use moisturizer, that can irritate your skin around the eyes, so I prefer to use eye cream. And I always go on the top part of the eye as well, and then the bottom part. So I do like a good massage, and I move on to next one, which is my favorite. If you have been watching me for a while, you guys know like I love La Roche-Posay products. This is the French brand, and this is the one I use. This is kind of like a balm one, Cicaplast E5. It has got really good like healing properties in it, and this is great for kids as well. Anybody who has got like sunburn, or if anybody had very bad skin breakout or reaction from chemical peels, they can use this one, even for like insect bites, etc. So this is so good. I've taken a little bit on my hands, rub that, and then I'm gonna pat that into my skin. So this is what I do. And also don't forget to massage your face. Massage will help with your facial blood circulation, and that is what we need. So that's it. So I'm done. That is my very simple morning skincare routine that I do. Let's chat a little bit here about Olaplex one, because a lot of people were asking me how did it go with my hair. I've been using this for the last 2 months, and I'll tell you in a minute how it was with my hair. So this is the one I was using. This one is number 5 conditioner, and then number 4 shampoo. Unfortunately, it didn't work well for my hair at all. It just gave me a lot of dandruff, basically very flaky dandruff, which I hated it. It's really bad. The thing is like it lathers up really well, which I was not expecting at all, because it has got like no sulfates in it. So I was thinking maybe I'll have to use a lot of shampoo when I wash my hair, but that's not the case. Even like a tiny amount lathers up really well, but unfortunately I don't think it was doing much to my scalp. Like it was not cleaning properly. My hair tends to be fine even when I use like normal shampoo with sulfates, etc. I've always been using that from very small age. Maybe that's why my hair got used to it. Those shampoos, I tend to find it like it cleans my scalp very well. So many people say don't use sulfates, that's bad for your hair, etc. But for some reason my hair actually thrives with normal shampoo, but this one wasn't great at all. I've actually used you can still see like there's that much left. Conditioner, I actually like it, to be honest, but not the shampoo. Not a fan of it because it gave me really bad dandruff. It was like very flaky. You could see on the top of my scalp, especially near the forehead. Dandruff can fall on your face, so that can lead you to have more skin breakout, and given the fact that I have got rosacea, that is not good for me at all. Anyway, I'm not going to repurchase Olaplex. That was £28 for shampoo, and then the conditioner was same price. so it's very pricey. So I might actually try another shampoo, and I've actually bought normal shampoo now because I don't want to use Olaplex one. It was very disappointing, not worth it at all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a great week, even though like last few week wasn't that great. This week has been good, and I went out with Matt, as you saw on the vlog. After such a long time, we went with our kids for lunch, and it was great. We had such a good time, just both of us, and it was amazing. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Till then, take care guys. Bye.